If you're a coffee lover who craves adventure, this news is hotter than a fresh cup of joe. Marriott Bonvoy and Starbucks have teamed up to bring their loyalty members double the rewards. Now, you can link your accounts to earn double Starbucks stars on eligible purchases when staying at Marriott Bonvoy hotels. And it gets even better. To celebrate, they're giving away some amazing prizes, including a grand prize trip to all 3 Starbucks Reserve roasteries in Seattle, Milan, and Tokyo. That's with Marriott Bonvoy hotel stays and round-trip airfare. Plus, there's more prizes like visits to individual Starbucks Reserve roasteries and hundreds of bonus stars up for grabs. This partnership is all about making your travel and coffee experiences more exciting and rewarding. So what are you waiting for? Link those accounts today and start racking up the rewards. Because with Marriott Bonvoy and Starbucks, the more you sip and stay, the more you earn. Happy travels and happy sipping. Until then, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for future travel updates.